Okay, so this is project one. This is girls' room. So it was like this pretty much. I think they had bunk beds initially. So these two beds were joined on here, but broke them out. But been here for 8 years. So my plan for here is basically to transition it from. So my girls were 6 and 2 when we moved here, and didn't really get a lot of choice and stuff. So cupboard that doesn't really close, like it's just full of stuff. I think for the youngest, storage is an issue. As you can see, I won't even show you under the bed, but there's lots of storage boxes, lots of things overhanging. So solution will be to get this bed. Both beds will go up high. We'll have desks underneath. This is going to go. This is going to go. This will go into storage downstairs. It is a lovely thing, but they're not past it now. Then over this side there will be a whole clever wardrobe compilation and stuff. So we'll see, and the carpet will go. I'll get back to the nice floor. Curtains will be changed. So yeah, this is going to have a. This is the project, and just yeah. And then actually it will be a little bit more open here because both beds will be sideways along here and raised. So that's the goal. I've taken my drawings, but yeah, just lack of storage and stuff. So this is my first project is my daughter's bedroom. Now I've got high ceilings, but we will have to see how I get on. So I'm going to take photos as I go, and yeah, see how the storage goes. They're gonna start with a clean out from tomorrow to empty these cupboards and stuff. But it's got great potential, lovely view outside. So yeah, so this is my first project. I've called it when it's not particularly clean, but that's part of the challenge here. So yeah, so we're so follow me on this journey. This is project one. Every room's going to be changed a little bit, but this is probably the most dramatic one. The kitchen as well will be fairly dramatic. Anyway, that's this short video. This is the before. I'll do some photos, but this is the before, and yeah, we'll see how it turns out.